Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to undo repost on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you're scrolling through your TikTok videos and you've accidentally reposted a video and you want to undo repost, then let me show you how to do this. So first, let's find a video where we can repost. So for example here, let's use this video to repost. So you want to tap on share. And now you want to select the repost button here. Now once you do this, you'll see this message here. You reposted this. Let's say you closed your TikTok app and you want to undo repost that video. So to do this, open up TikTok. Now you're going to go into your profile page here at the bottom right. Now on the screen, you're going to find the repost tab, which will look like two arrows going the opposite way. Go ahead and tap on that. Now in this section here, you'll see all the videos that you have reposted. So find the one that you just reposted. So for example, this one here. Now to remove the repost, tap the share button. And now here you'll see this option to remove repost. So to remove it, go ahead and tap on remove repost. And once you do this, the repost will be removed from your TikTok account. Now to confirm this, you can go back and look into your repost tab. And as you can see, you don't see that video in the repost tab. So you've successfully undone the repost on your TikTok account. So there you go. That is how to undo repost on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.